Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, February 7th, 2019. What a drop in the markets today, folks, kind of coming out of left field as we heard from a couple people inside the White House that the Xi and Trump meeting may not occur. To us here at In the Money Stocks, we knew this was coming, and I'm going to tell you why. The charts were already alerting us to a pullback. So let's start with the intraday chart. This is going to be a beautiful little case study, an educational video. We're going to talk about how you could tell that the market's potentially we're going to break down today. You can start on the intraday 10-minute chart. So check this out. This is awesome stuff, by the way. So here you have a trend line. Look at this trend line sloping up. So this is your trend, right? So this is connecting all the pivot lows. Pivot low, pivot low, pivot low, and then pivot low right here. And then notice how yesterday, this is yesterday's 10-minute chart, we were trading down, we hit that level, we bounced, we hit the upside here. So if you connect this and this and this, they all form lines. But then you came down, up, and then look, you broke below it, and look at how you closed below it. I mean, that's what's so important here. So by the end of the day, you actually were below the trend. So you see how that kind of was giving you a little bit of an inkling that something was amiss here? And then notice how you closed right up to this downsloping trend line. So pivot, pivot high, pivot high, pivot high, and then notice you closed right below it. You never got above it. So you broke below this one and you never got above the other one. That was setting you up for a weak open this morning. Now, I didn't know it was going to be this big of a drop, 3.5, 4 points on the spiders, but you knew something was in the works. Other signals out there that I pointed out in recent days to members and even in free videos like this were the Russell the last couple days was lagging the upside. The Russell basically makes up small caps. That's where the small caps are. So when you see it lagging, it's telling you people or big money is pulling out of the riskiest stocks, which are small caps. So essentially, they're paring down risk. Well, why would they pare down risk if the market was going to go higher, right? Think about that. So that was another signal. All right, another thing, that's not even the beginnings of it or the ends of it. This is the beauty of it. Look at the daily 200 moving average. We came up there. I mean, that's the daily 200. I mean, look at the rally. We were extended into that level. Okay. And then I want to show you another thing. I mean, there's so many. There's so many things here. Let's go to trend drawing tools. Let's go to Fibonacci's. So take the all-time high here, bring it to the lows, the recent December lows, and then look what you get. You basically get a 618 retrace right in this area too. 618 pierce right to the 200. Enough said. I mean, things like this are just so cool, folks. So that's where we have it. Yesterday, I did a video on the SMH telling you guys that it was a dead-on short. Let me bring up the SMH here. I brought up a bunch of extra stuff here. Really not a big deal here. Let's go actually to this chart here. And we can do it on the daily chart of the SMH. There we go. So yesterday I talked about the SMH. Let me bring my drawing tool back and how it maxed out with a pierce to the 200. So look at the move right to piercing the 200, but then look at this. Pivot, pivot, pivot. All three pivots kissed. The highest one right there kissed. This one pierced, piercing the 200. And also, what I want to show you here, let's go back to Fibonacci because we know Fibonacci is such an important thing for this market. All right, what I want you to do here, take this high pivot, go down to your low, right here. And then what did we pierce yesterday? It's hard to see, I know, but look, 618 right at the highs yesterday, 618 fib level. So, I mean, put it to you this way. I have 80% of my account short as of the last couple days, my swing trade account. And really, I added a majority of that in the last couple days. SDS, QID, SMH. In fact, we just took profits on SMH puts today already, 35% gain since we bought them yesterday. So we bought puts yesterday. I shorted SMH yesterday in my swing trade account. I mean, these are the trades that are just, we're just banging them out. And it's awesome. I mean, this is truly epic action. And it's all the PPT methodology, folks. If you haven't heard about the PPT methodology, you got to seriously check it out. Come to us, check it out. We teach it here. It's price pattern time. That's what PPT stands for. Now, we took it obviously from the plunge protection team, which is the working group that supports the market in collapses. But it's beautiful because price pattern and time are the three factors that you look for in charts. When you get two of those three in a chart, you have an 80% success rate of having a winning trade. I mean, there are hedge funds out there. The best hedge funds in the world don't bat 80%, folks. So it's amazing. I mean, this is why hedge funds now are flocking to us, average investors. We've never been bigger, our membership and so forth. I mean, this is where it's at. The results speak for themselves as well. All right, now I got to show you this because it's just so freaking cool. But let me just show you our website here. And so here's our website in themoneystocks.com. And over here, you have free market action, Research Center track record. This is this year thus far. And by the way, we have a lot of open trades that are all in the money. I mean, CLAC, SMH, QID, SDA. I mean, I could go on. I got like 12 to 14 positions here that are all in the money. Those obviously haven't been closed out, so they haven't been added. But these are the ones that we took this year and closed out this year already. And look at the results. I mean, it's just epic. All right, a good start to the year. But what's even cooler is you can go to last year and look at last year. I mean, look at this net gain. So if you add up all the wins minus the losses, 873, almost 74%. Even if you only put 10% of your account in each trade, you still were up 87% last year. 87%. And that's being relatively conservative, right? For most of you guys, anyways. That means 10% or less in each trade. So, I mean, you can look back at any year, folks, any year. Going back to 2012 when we started to post this track record. We've been around since 2007. There's a reason why we've done so well for, now 12 years of being around, and it's because the methodology works. The PPT methodology is where it's at, and that's what's so cool about it is that it literally speaks for itself with results. Ask any of our members, folks. There's again a reason why people literally have been with us for 12 years, getting trades from us from 12 years. They're not here because they're losing money. I'll tell you that much. I mean, no one stays around for 12 years losing money. So it should speak volumes. And they're awesome members, too. They're people dedicated to becoming the best in the world at trading and swing trading and learning the PPT methodology. And that's what we want. All right, guys. On that note, I'm going to step aside. Come take the 7-day free trial. I'll show you right here. Here's the Research Center. Here's your 7-day free trial button. Everything underneath is included. Here's your daily videos. Your daily market report is included. So every day you get one of those each. Hot Charts and Alerts is where we post the live trades every single day, time-stamped, verified. And then twice a week we have live broadcasts where you get to ask us questions about charts that you're interested in, all that stuff. If you're an options person, get in the options, folks. Here's our trades closed out this year so far in the options. Look at that. No losers yet this year, which is awesome. And again, no free trial for the options, though. Just straight-up options. And then the last one here, the main one, is the intraday stock chat. By the way, intraday stock chat this year we're batting about 96%. We've only had one loser all year out of, I think, almost 30 trades now in the chat room this year. Last year, 94% success rate. Think about that. 94% success rate. Over 300 day trades in the chat room. You log in, you listen to us, you hear live. It's not a typing chat room, by the way. You type in questions. We talk on a mic, so you get the trades as we take them. I say, hey, guys, I just got filled on SMH long today. We did a long day trade. We made money. So what I love about this, we're shorting the Research Center. All right, that's in one account of mine, my Research Center trades. We had puts in the options account, my options account, closed those out for 35%. Then we went long for a scalp in the intraday stock chat and made money there. I mean, it was just this is one of those days that's epic. So, in any case, guys, take the 7-day free trial to the chat if you want day trades. We're here for you. We're here to help you make money. Take